What's going on, guys? Today I'm finally putting out the speakers, the black car, the black BMW. We're finally putting in those speakers. I finally got some time on my hands, in the daylight where I can make noise, because I do have to grind. Sorry, if you guys hear kids in the background, that's those are my kids. They're playing. But I'm on the passenger front. I'm at the passenger front door now. And like I said, I do have to grind. The aftermarket speaker is a lot bigger. The magnet is a lot bigger, so it won't like the door panel won't shut properly. And it came with some like a small amplifier, which is this right here. From the setup, from the car that I had it, the setup was they cut the original speaker harness wire and plugged it into the amplifier. And it also came with tweeters, so I ran the tweeters and this wire would go to the speakers. But I'm having issues with right here. I would have to cut this completely open in order for the speaker to go in, and then I could shut the door panel without having a major gap right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mocking that up, take the speaker out, see where I need a cut and everything. But that's where I'm at now, and let's hope it works and I don't jack my door up. I managed to cut the hole for the speaker. It's all cut. It's not the neatest. It's not the cleanest cut, but it's a cut. Speaker fits. All of the clips, all of these little clips, so far so forth, they all clip on. Everything shuts, which is good. Now I'm just doing all of the wiring. I am having issues with that, but in the donor car, well, in this car, this is the original amplifier, but since I'm using my own amplifiers, I think I'm gonna have to splice these wires and kind of run them along each other, because on the donor car it was weird, to be honest. I don't know how or what was cut. I have to go back to the donor car and see, like kind of make my own diagram and stuff like that. But on the old car, it did have some splice wires here and kind of like soldered together, so I'm gonna have to replicate that and go from there. But we're almost there. I did get the tweeter to work, which is pretty good. I mean, it's a step closer, but it's not where I want to be. Without the aftermarket amplifier, I just ran it to the stock wire and it worked. But I'm not too sure if, I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I've never dealt with this. I never dealt with aftermarket. These would be my first aftermarket speakers on any car, and it's because for me, music isn't like a big topic for me. It's not. I would just run stock speakers. But I'm gonna figure it out, and I'll get back to you guys when I do figure it out, when I have everything settled, and like, all right, this wire goes here, this wire goes there. This isn't like a how-to video or anything. It's just how I did it, how I figured it out with my setup, because these speakers are Phoenix Gold speakers all the way around with the amplifier. If you guys can see that, Phoenix Gold. Focus, there you go. Phoenix Gold with the I guess this would be an amplifier or equalizer or something. I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this little box machine is, let me see if I can open it. If you guys know what this little box machine is, tell me in the comments below. I don't really know. Like I said before, this would be my first aftermarket speaker install, so I don't know input, tweeters, what that's a woofer. Woofer would be that big one, I would assume. And then input would be the stock harness. If I'm not wrong. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Alright, the speakers are in. I don't know if you can hear me over the heater. The heater's on. Hold on. Let me turn it off real quick. Ooh, that fire! Alright. Now I think you guys can hear me. But the speakers are in. They work. Well, this door works. Every other speaker works. But the ones, like the aftermarket ones, this door is in. I managed to put the rear ones. The rear ones are in. I don't know if you can see that. The same brand. The same brand on both sides. These are a pain in the butt. They're so delicate. They're so fragile. Like, they're so fragile. Every clip broke. That clip, that clip, that clip, and that clip. Besides the front clip. So if I put it on and when it thumps, like the front right here be it just jumps when it thumps. So I just, you know, we don't need them. Not for now, at least. You know, that's another junkyard run. The small stuff. But speakers are in, doors work, the tweeters work. I mean, not the tweeters. The big speaker works, the tweeter works. That one does not work anymore. That's a factory one. Since I did have to do the whole wiring issue in the trunk with the amplifier, so I think that speaker got like eliminated also on that one. But that's fine because I got the tweeters and I got that one, and it's kind of, and it's louder than before, so that's what I wanted. And now just the last piece. That sucker goes there. Uh-oh. 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 What the shit? Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Try to go in. I don't want to hit you. I might break you. Last piece is in. The little trim. These I actually got at the junkyard. Do not ask me the color. I don't know the color. If you guys know, comment down below. I don't know the colors. I did post it on like a E46 Facebook group, and they said that it's like a rare color. I'm not too sure. I just saw them. I liked them, and I got the whole, every door, every piece. Luckily, they were all together and intact, except this one. This one has like a big scratch. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a big scratch right there, but I didn't mind it too much. They were all complete, and now my door's back on. My door my door panel's back on. So that's good. That's less junk in my car. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified for when I shoot out a new video.